Card-free payment options are now offered in more and more places, making it easy for you to pay for goods and services without your wallet. Fitbit Ionic comes with a built-in chip which enables easy on-the-wrist payment, bringing convenience to your everyday life and making it easy to go work out without your phone. Enabling payments on Ionic is easy. Open the Fitbit app on your phone and make sure your watch is nearby. Tap the picture of Ionic in the top corner. Select Fitbit Wallet. If you haven't already done so, you'll be prompted to set up a 4-digit PIN to prevent others from making payments using your watch. You'll also be prompted to set up a PIN or Touch ID for the phone paired to Ionic if you don't already have one. The default setting on Ionic is to enter your 4-digit PIN every time you put Ionic on your wrist. For your security, Ionic will stay in this authenticated mode for 24 hours or until you take the watch off. Now that your PIN is set up, let's add a debit or credit card. Type in your card number, expiration date, and security code. You'll be asked to verify your address and accept terms to finish the process. In some cases, your bank may require additional verification. Tap the Activate on Ionic button in the app to choose the card you want on your watch. You can switch cards at any time in the mobile app. Keep in mind that your card number is never stored on your device or Fitbit servers. When you pay, your card numbers are never shared by Fitbit with merchants. When you're ready to initiate Fitbit Pay, just press and hold the left button on Ionic and hold Ionic's display near the card reader. If you're making payments in Australia, you can skip the initiation step and directly hold Ionic up to the card reader to pay. You will feel a pulse and see a check mark on your watch, confirming that your payment is complete. Fitbit is always looking for ways to make your life more convenient. Fitbit Pay on Ionic allows you to make payments faster and easier than ever. No phone, no wallet, no problem.